guys, we are on our way to the OnePlus pop-up for the inaugural of the OnePlus 7 Pro. So I'm here with my friend Ashwin. So we're actually really excited for the OnePlus 7 Pro, and we witnessed the live event yesterday, and now we're actually in Chennai, and we're going on our way to Bondi Bazaar, where the OnePlus showroom is actually there. So this time I guess we're getting a 48 megapixel camera. We're getting a triple camera setup, so that's really exciting. So I cannot wait to get my hands on the phone, and especially the display. The display is going to be really good because of its new 90 Hz refresh rate. That is different from the normal 60 Hz that you get. So it's going to be really fluidic, and I'm just really excited. So let's go and check it out. Let's see what happens.